We're going to try this Key 4 glass guard for the very first time on this glass. Of course, you can use it on any type of glass. And what this is supposed to be doing is basically repelling water, making it super extra safe to even drive at night. When you're getting all these, that water on that windshield and it's kind of like staying there, you want it completely out of the way. That's what we're going to try and see with this. It's a little bit dirty, and that's okay. We don't mind that at all. I'm going to wet it because I want to see exactly what we're talking about here. See how that doesn't look great. It's not super safe. You don't want to be driving looking through a glass that's like this. So we're going to see this little product right here by Key 4. This is the applicator right here. And check this out. You literally unscrew it. And we're going to go. There we go. And all you do is press. And you're going to get that little liquid coming out. Look at that. So I'm going to make sure that it's just a little bit. I'm going to run it through that glass. And we remember how pearly that water was. It should, once I clean it all off and take that water gun on it, should be able to literally just be a clear film where we can't see anything but clear glass. Let's see. So far, so very good. Look at that. What a world of a difference. This thing is entirely wet. It is still purling down. There's not a drop of water on it. It makes it super easy to see through, which is the whole point when you're driving. I'm super impressed.